Get a new perspective of your fleet with the Ford Pro Telematics with Dashcam add-on feature. The Dashcam captures road and cabin events so you can help optimize performance and protect your business. See what's happening on the road with reviewable recordings. Road-facing and in-cab camera lenses capture road and distracted driving events, such as mobile phone use or eating, with the vehicle in operation. Data feeds right into the software for you to leverage with drivers and insurance agencies if needed. Ford Pro Telematics with Dashcam can help provide insights to help improve driver performance while protecting your business. To get a more in-depth look at the features discussed in today's video, visit fordpro.com or fordpro.ca in Canada for more details.